Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Miele washing machine and you're getting an error F43 on your machine. Now this is a pretty rare error and you shouldn't be getting it because basically this means that the electronics in the machine don't know what kind of washing machine it's dealing with. So it doesn't have the type of, the model of the washing machine is not programmed into the electronics. And the only way you're really going to be able to get this fixed is to contact Miele directly. However, before you do that, I would recommend, because this is it would be strange to get this error, and it might just be some kind of electronic anomaly that is making you get this error. So before you get the error, I would just recommend doing a hard restart on the machine, which is to turn it off and then disconnect it from power, either unplug it from the wall or turn the circuit off, and leave it off for a full minute and then turn it back on and see if doing that hard restart, getting that restart up cycle going, if it recognizes things and starts functioning properly. And anyways, and hopefully that'll fix it, but if not, you're going to need to contact the manufacturer to get it sorted out. But anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.